In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how to fix Fortnite sound on your PS5. So what you need to do firstly is to grab your controller actually, and on your PS5 controller, you're going to click on the options button right here as you can see. And now in here, we're going to scroll down until we can see the settings wheel here and click on settings. And now then in here, you're going to scroll to the right here where it says audio. So you will be able to see your entire audio settings right here and make sure that none of this right here is set to 0. And a lot of people want to use 3D headphones right here, and if this is off you can set it to on, of course. And there's this one, license audio, of course, as well if you want to have that one. And another thing you need to check is that you need to click on the PS5 or the PlayStation logo right here on your controller, so just click on the logo here. And then what you need to do in here is to scroll down and click on sound right here as you can see, and make sure that your output device is correct and the volume here is also correct. Same with music and video, of course. You can also have play around with this, or if you have mute game voice chat enabled and you don't want it to be enabled, just disable it, of course. And also here mic, as you can see, if you have it mute, you can unmute it right here also, and make sure that the headset or the source that is connected here is correct as well, of course. But yeah, basically this is exactly how to fix it.